In this video I will tell you 4 ways to resolve the black screen problem, so let's get started. The first way is you have to press the power off and power on button for 3 to 5 seconds. Done. Now the second way. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC button. The task manager will appear. Click File and open Run New Task, and search Explorer.exe. Click OK. And wait, sometimes the desktop will appear. Now sometimes the black screen problem happens for graphics card. So the third way is you have press Windows plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B. It will restart your graphics card. And you have to wait for sometimes, then the desktop will appear. The fourth way is invented by me. First you have to click Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. The task manager will appear. Click File, then open Run New Task. I search Firefox because I have Firefox. You can search any browser that you have in your desktop. After opening your browser, you have paused for a while. I waited 20 to 30 minutes and now you can see the desktop tab. Thanks for watching and keep supporting.